But, the primary drivers at the time for us, I mean, I think like anything, depending on what part of the country you're in, we were facing some astronomical changes, in our insurance premiums. Maintenance for the vehicles was, what was growing over time. And then just the sheer liability. Lack of a better way of saying it, sometimes I think like anything else, I think we all take better care of our personal property, sometimes in lieu of, some of the company things. And those were some of the issues that as a company we were facing, which, a big part of driving, the change and forcing us to go out and explore companies that provide a service, like Motus.
Awesome. Appreciate that.